the truth behind what is harming you in this budget and real performance story in just a couple of minutes. Elena is the revenue manager of Paradise Hotel. She swears by her budgeting. She often tells her peers how she uses her budgets as the North Star. Her hotel is a luxury hotel. This makes her feel on top of the world. One day, her owner walks into her office and asks why the hotel revenue performance is trailing last year. Elena is shocked, but immediately jumps to defend her hotel budget. However, the owner wants to know why revenue cannot reach last year's numbers. Indeed, Elena had focused on just her budget. On the other hand, actual performance had suffered disastrously. She had left money on the table, which her owners were not happy about. In the hotel industry, many managers fall prey to what is known as vanity metrics. Simply stated, these are metrics connected to egos more than realistic business rationale. However, revenue management fundamentals talk about the power of monitoring actual performance year on year. Budget was merely an estimate and ignored the most critical measure of actual revenue performance. She might have prevailed on the budget factor, but had hopelessly lost the real performance factor, the thing that really mattered. But hotel managers regularly make this critical mistake, focusing too much on what is at best an estimation. This forced Elena to change her ways. She now turned her attention to the actual performances of current and previous year. Did you know what happens when you compare your hotel business results with just the budget? An enormous mistake. Why? Comparing with only the budget does not tell you the full story. What are you missing? You've forgotten to monitor how your real performance matches up to the previous year. With a new learning, Elena took quick action. She began turning her attention to the real revenue performance achieved of both the current and previous year in comparison. There was almost a magical effect on her performance. Why? Because she was now measuring real performance achieved actuals this year compared to the previous year. Her variance analysis was now on point, and she was able to determine the difference between current and last year. This is the magic of measuring actual performance. Significantly, she was now using the actual performance variances to take decisions. What is the moral of the story? Well, budget, you could call, is your vanity. Actuals, on the other hand, are sanity, if you want to call it that. But more importantly, you could indeed say that budget is a ballpark number, while actuals are the real thing. Let's take a look at takeaways, 3 of them. Realize that budgets tend to be illusory, while actuals are the truth. Most importantly, variance analysis is powerful when you compare two actual numbers, measures of real performance. Interested in knowing the full truth about why variances should be accorded care and diligence? Watch above video.